On Tuesday, August 17, Board of Directors, Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce met with Commander J.B. Bircher of Los Angeles Sheriff Department over a luncheon meeting. During the meeting, Chairman Waqar Ali Khan, PACC, and former chair of Pakistani Sheriff Advisory Council introduced all members of PACC and shed lights on PACC's work since its inception in 1989.
Morning, Chair of Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce, Chief Patron and founder of the Grand Alliance of Pakistan. I'm a former chair of the Sheriff Advisory Council. Also the director of development of the world largest home nutrition company. And also the CEO of the I'm also the CEO of the OPTv, which is called OpTv Global. And I'm a former senior executive producer of the largest Pakistani network. We are interviewing Mr. Alex on his new campaign. Today, I have a board member of Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce. The purpose of the Chamber of Commerce to how we can work together with the Sheriff Department, because we represent a truly business community coast to coast. Okay, I have a was Ismail is our president of the Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce. Sam Sheikh is the one supported Chamber of Commerce. Isabel is the former president and chairperson of the United States. He is the main guy of the Pakistan Chamber of Commerce. It's very good. Mohsin Shah is also director of the Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce on the textile business. Fatma Khan is the backbone of Pakistan Independence Day Committee. She is the vice president of the Grand Alliance and is the vice president of Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce. By profession, she is a biochemist at UCLA, UCI, Metropolitan and University. She recently retired. She got many offers at the fencing lab to be joined. Okay. Mr. Sarfraz, he is a small business in Downtown LA. I have a Mr. Farooq in the board of directors and he is on the Pakistan Chamber of Commerce. He owns many motors and products. And I have a Mr. Qalseed and Mr. Qureshi. He's a doctor, bioscientist, and he had a breakthrough research. Thank you. I need a student to save millions of lives. And I have Mr. Asim Akram. He is the part of the world $1 trillion company owned Honeywell, and he heading the very speedy response system with 9/11 and the fire stations. It's nationwide. Okay, and he is heading that. He has interest to build a relationship with the department, fire department. He told me that one law is coming soon, which will allow any 911 call to the police department to be the public. It is on hold, and that software is going to be in place. Okay, for that. I have Mr. Azhar Majid, Dr. Majid. He is a former president of the 2,000 Pakistani American doctors residing in California, LA. He is running the medical community at the internist. Okay. Mr. Bircher, I'm really honored, touched that you spare your valuable time. And as I'm the ex-chair of the Sheriff Advisory, I always respect the Sheriff Department, whoever they have, whoever the team there, because I work with them, I had a good time, I cooperated with them, and I'm just with the Sheriff Department.
PACC is the oldest organization representing Pakistani American community in LA and have been working with entrepreneurs, small businesses, law enforcement agencies, non-profit organizations, and many others since over last 3 decades. Waqar Khan briefed Commander Bircher about the work done during COVID-19, establishing a task force group that provided masks, sanitizers, and held several food drives during COVID. Over $500,000 worth of PPE was donated to LASD, LAPD, LA County Fire Department, schools, hospitals, Red Cross, and others by the task force group. Many businesses affected by COVID were also assisted in obtaining PPP loans. Fawad Ismail, President Chamber of Commerce, told the esteemed guests that PACC wants to build a stronger tie with Sheriff Department to work closely as a community liaison group.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Fawad Ismail. I'm the president of Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce, and professionally I'm a banker. I'm a regional president for a local bank called Wallace Bank. So I'm the regional president with it. So Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce has been directly involved with the Pakistani American business community and the community itself, helping them, guiding them throughout the process of how to manage and run the business. We have professionals in our board. They are all volunteering and providing services to the community. Since the inception of the Chamber of Commerce in 1989, the Chamber has been involved with the trade-related programs. They also was involved with the different ambassadors from Pakistan over here, taking the business community, engaging them with the different forms of office bearers to see how we can improve and take the initiative to the next level. When the COVID hit, Chamber of Commerce created a task force, and the purpose for the task force was to get engaged with the community and get more involved and guide them and help them how to get with the COVID related issues, how to fight with the COVID related issues. We did food drives, we did vaccine drive. We also got involved with providing them the PPP loans that was given out by the government, those grants. So all those guidance provided by the Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce through their board members to the Pakistani American communities and also to the local communities as well. So Chamber strongly believes that it's to give it back to the community, to serve the community to their best capacity, and also like to appreciate the work the Sheriff Department is doing in keeping the community safe, and also want to get more involved with the Sheriff Department, to be a place in between the business community and the Sheriff Department. So with that, I'm conclude here, and thank you so much for all of you coming out on this busy weekend. Thank you.
Commander Bircher was very appreciative of the work done by PACC and its interest for future liaison with LASD.
Good afternoon, everybody, and assalamu alaikum. Thank you so much for having me. When Mr. McCart said that there would be very distinguished guests here, I didn't doubt him, but I'm very impressed. Thank you. Thank you. It's nice to really a pleasure to meet you guys and meet your presence. We started a Community Advisory Council. We started this in 2020. We have about 200 members now, and we've done a series of events ranging from clothing drives, food drives, toy drives, even vaccine events where we've done mobile vaccines. We've also done mobile testing throughout the county. In December, we raised around 13,000 toys, and we distributed those to people in need as well as organizations, charitable organizations that would distribute those to people in need. We also sent a package of food, clothing, and toys to Armenia for the families who were displaced from 2021. And this is great, and there's something I'll follow up with too, and it's a genuine thank you for the help you provided to us. But really quick, I want to say that this charitable outreach that we have wouldn't be possible without the current sheriff. This sheriff culture and outreach are among its priorities, keeping people safe, understanding the people that we're in partnership with throughout the county. One of the first things the sheriff did when he came into office, and around 2019, I was the chief of staff at that time, was he had the captains reach out to all of the different mosques, document the address, location of these mosques, and establish relationships. From that, we had a master I guess, a master list, if you will, of all of the mosques in our station areas. After the 2019 shooting in the New Zealand mosque, the sheriff ordered that reserves and deputies patrol the mosques in their station areas. Provided reserves and deputies to all of the mosques. He had us reach out to all of the mosques, be in contact with the mosque leaders to make sure that they felt safe when we were watching them. I want to thank you guys genuinely for the PPE and the other support that you've given us. The PPE donations were huge. When the pandemic broke out, before we had vaccines, of course we all know this, deputies were out in the public. They were in very hazardous situations, and they didn't have the protection because the department didn't have the resources to provide them, because from a myriad of things, production and so forth. But because of your generosity, I want to say it saved lives. You know, the hand sanitizers, the masks, it saved lives. It saved our deputies' lives. So really, from the bottom of my heart, really, I genuinely thank you for everything you've done for us. Thank you.
After the meeting, all board of directors were recognized for their efforts for COVID relief work and presented a certificate of recognition by Under Sheriff at the Sheriff Department quarters in downtown LA Department of Justice. The meeting was attended by PACC Board of Directors Chairman Waqar Khan, President Fawad Ismail, Vice President Fatima Khan, Co-Chair Zubair Rao, Treasurer Mohsen Arshad, Board Member Farooq Sheikh, Dr. Azhar Majid, Chair of PACC Health Committee, Dr. Tausif Qureshi, Asim Akram, Council Members City of Torrance, Asim Sheikh, and Field of Deputy Danny Batanero. The event was sponsored by Wallace Bank in downtown Los Angeles.
Kaba Fusion is a pharmacist-owned, patient-focused team of professionals with over 30 years' experience providing intravenous medication to pediatric and adult patients in the comfort and safety of their own home. Founded by Dr. Sohail Masood, a pioneer in the home infusion industry and recipient of Ernst & Young's Entrepreneur of the Year Award, Kaba Fusion has 28 state-of-the-art compounding pharmacies across the country with service capabilities nationwide. Specializing in IVIG, SCIG, and acute therapies, our highly skilled infusion nurses are present throughout your treatment, and our clinicians are on call 24 hours a day. Please visit us at kabafusion.com for more information.